Thank you for joining House Talks. Low-growing perennial flowers are great for adding color, preventing pesky weeds, and avoiding erosion. This episode we are going to discover low-growing perennial flowers to add beauty to borders and flower bed areas of home garden. It explains perennial plant name, spacing details and hardiness zones details. Let's get into the topic. Number 1, Ice Plant. Hardiness zones are 5 to 9, it grows 4 to 6 inches tall and 8 to 10 inches spread, blooms from early spring until first frost. Excellent addition to border fronts. Number 2, Stonecrop, Blue Spruce Sedum. Hardiness zones are 4 to 9, it grows 6 to 8 inches tall and 12 to 24 inches spread, blooms early to mid-summer, good for containers, rock garden and ground covering. Number 3, Creeping Phlox, Candy Stripe. Hardiness zones are 4 to 8, it grows 4 to 6 inches tall and 12 to 24 inches spread, blooms early to mid-spring, good for edging, slopes, rock garden and ground covering. Number 4, Brilliant Dianthus Deltoides. Hardiness zones are 3 to 9, it grows 3 to 6 inches tall and 6 to 12 inches spread, blooms cherry red flowers in spring and summer. Attracts butterflies. Good for containers, rock garden and ground covering. Number 5, Bilberry Ice Spiderwort. Hardiness zones are 3 to 9, it grows 6 to 8 inches tall and 6 to 12 inches spread, blooms lilac pink flowers all summer, good for bordering. Number 6, Whitewater Speedwell. Blooms white flowers in spring and summer. Hardiness zones are 3 to 9, it grows 3 to 6 inches tall and 12 to 24 inches spread. Number 7, Veronica Pink Potion. Blooms thick spike of baby pink flowers in summer, best bordering to add bewatiful color home garden in summer. Hardiness zones are 4 to 8, it grows 12 to 18 inches tall and 12 to 24 inches spread. Number 8, Purple Heart SETCREASEA. Hardiness zones are 7 to 11, it grows 6 to 12 inches tall and 20 to 30 inches spread, blooms pink flowers in summer, beautiful purple foliage, best for bordering area. Number 9, Pulmonaria, Raspberry Frost. Hardiness zones are 4 to 9, it grows 8 to 10 inches tall and 12 to 18 inches spread, mounding perennial, shade-loving ground cover. It works well to create a lush underplanting to hostas and ferns. Number 10, Silver Mound, Artemisia schmidtiana. Hardiness zones are 4 to 8, it grows 10 to 14 inches tall and 14 to 16 inches spread, bright silver lacy mounded foliage, it is great for edging in garden area. Number 11, AJUGA chocolate chip, common name is bugleweed. Hardiness zones are 4 to 9, it grows 10 to 12 inches tall and 10 to 12 inches spread, best for low-growing creeping ground cover. Number 12, hostas. Hardiness zones are 3 to 8, hostas grow in many different heights and sizes, hosta foliage is long-lasting, from mid-spring to fall and it is perfect for bordering.